concentrate on my life and doing the things that I like to do. And here it was like I owned my own business. All I did was work. So even though I made really good money, I was always at work. And if I wasn't at work, my phone was ringing and somebody wanted me to go to work. So that's too much. I don't want to end my life knowing that all I ever did was work. Work and make money, work and make money. There's so much more out there, and I'd like to explore it. I want to see it. I've mentioned before, I've been to over 30 countries. I've lived in a couple, but all it did was make me want to travel more, wanted me to see more. And naturally, my girlfriend is a big attraction to me wanting to live in Colombia, but she's not the only reason I want to live in Colombia. Once again, make yourself happy. If someone wants to add to your happiness, that's great. But you need to know how to be happy by yourself. And I am. But I also know that I'm not as happy here as I would be if I was traveling. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. And I would like to take you with me. So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe. And I will try to bring you some great quality videos. And I'm probably going to be using this GoPro camera, GoPro 11. Take care. I'll see you.